I welcome you all to Part B simulation experiments of Analog Circuits Lab 18 ECL 48. Today we are going to learn about the experiment Hartley oscillator. Experiment number 1B. Aim to simulate Hartley oscillator to generate sine wave using op-amp. Components required: op-amp 741, 1 quantity, inductor 50 microhenry, 2 quantity, capacitor 10 microfarad, 1 quantity, plus or minus 12 volt supply, fixed power supply, 1 quantity, and CRO 1 quantity. The circuit diagram. So this circuit diagram consists of 741 op amp and an LC tank circuit. So first 741, it is a 8-pin IC. The terminal 2 is a inverting terminal input and 3 is a non-inverting input. 7 and 4 are for the VCC supply. 7 is given for positive supply, 4 is for negative supply, and 6 is for output pin. And this is the tank circuit, LC tank circuit. Two inductors of 50 microhenry and one capacitance is connected in parallel with the circuit, connected across pin number 2 to pin number 6, and a CRO is connected at, to the pin number 6 output pin. Next, ideal waveform. So this is the ideal waveform of sine wave 5 kilohertz. So this circuit is designed for 5 kilohertz. And let's go for the simulation. Double click on the multisim. Right click on the place. Click on component. Select master database, all groups, all family, and search 741. Click OK. Place it. And here in groups, select basic, select inductor and type 50 micro, which means 50 U, or else you can search and place it. So we require in two numbers, and after that capacitor, 100 microfarad, type 100 U, select 100 microfarad, and after that sources, DC power, it is for connecting the op amp power supply, and ground. So first I will flip the op amp such that it will be useful for me to make the connections. The pin number 3 is connected to ground, and 7 is given for positive, and 4 to pin number 4 to negative of the supply, and another end of the supply is connected for ground. After that, connect the capacitor across terminal 2 to 6, connect it inductor, connect one end to the terminal 2 and another end to the ground. L2, connect across 6 and ground. So this completes my circuit diagram. Now I will connect this to the output instrument. So I will select oscilloscope. I will use channel 1 and I will connect for negative to ground. So after the connections, now click on the run icon and double click on CRO. So some random value, click on stop. Move the time base, which means X axis. So this is my output. Okay. So now calculating time. So you can use these icons, or else you can move the time basis line such that one full cycle should be covered. So 628.788 microsecond. So calculate the frequency using f is equal to 1 by t and note down the values. Thank you.